Hi Virgo, kamusta kayo? Hope you're all doing well and welcome back to my channel, 1111 Pinoy Tarot. This is a general reading, not a one-to-one. So, hindi po lahat ay makaka-resonate. Pero inyong panoorin ang inyong Moon, Rising, and Venus placements. Minsan mas nakaka-resonate kayo doon kaysa inyong Sun sign. Please subscribe, comment, share, and tap the bell, Virgo. Maraming salamat sa iyo. Let's see what are the energies and the messages for you for this month of August. For Virgo, please. Virgo. For the month of August. Okay. Let's see. Virgo. For Virgo, please. Okay. Be patient, Virgo, for the month of August, okay? Take care of yourself, nurture yourself. Ingatan ang inyong health. Okay? Ano yung advice? Yeah. Okay. Okay. Trust your intuition, Virgo, kung anong sinasabi sa inyo, most especially sa inyong sitwasyon. If you think na yung mga bagay-bagay parang walang progress, okay? It may be sa work mo, sa personal situation mo, okay? Sa relationship, sa career, sa trabaho, sa negosyo, okay? Life in general. Kung sa tingin mo na walang movement ang iyong situation, walang progress, that is not true. Okay? You need to be patient for now. Okay? Hang on. Yeah. And control or release kung meron kayong mga control issues. Okay? Release it. Okay? Just embrace your current situation, current circumstance, kung nasaan man kayo ngayon. Okay? Be patient. And you have to be open to accept kung ano man yung mga insights or mga ideas, okay? Kung ano man yung mga magandang pagbabago ang mangyayari sa inyo by accepting your current situation. Okay? Just let the situation to play out by itself. Let it unfold naturally. Okay? Focus on yourself. Develop kung meron kang mga skills na kailangan mo pa enhance. Okay? Ingatan mo ang sarili mo. There will be victory, okay, and breakthroughs na parating sa inyo. Just hang on. Be patient on your current situation. Okay? Yung sacrifices na nangyayari sa inyo, it will be rewarded. Okay? Magkakaroon ng movements sa inyong sitwasyon. Okay? Be excited about the future. Make plans. Travel. Okay? Kung meron kayong mga creative projects. Okay? Keep on planning. Yes, huwag kayo mawala ng pag-asa kung kailangan may i-develop kayo na skills or meron kayong a-attendan ng mga trainings and seminars. It is for your own good. do it, okay? It will be useful later on. Magiging beneficial yon sa inyo. Okay? You will be able to gain clarity and solution sa inyong sitwasyon. Let's see. For Virgo, please. Yeah. Two of Pentacles. Yeah. Take a break. Kailangan mo ng pahinga sa inyong sitwasyon. Okay? Sa work man to, or marami kang ginagawa, obligations and responsibilities at home, sa mga anak mo, work mo, kailangan mo ng pahinga. Okay? Yeah. Clear your mind, Virgo. Yeah. For some of you, you are juggling things. You're thinking about your finances. Paano i-manage, paano pagkasyahin yung budget, allowance, or your salary. Okay? Just hang on. Be patient. Okay? Yeah. Merong turn of events na mangyayari, merong pagbabago, a positive change na mangyayari in your situation. In your personal life, sa project mo, sa career mo, or sa trabaho. Okay. Queen of Cups. Yeah, take time for yourself. Yeah, alagaan mo yung sarili mo. For some of you, merong conflict na nangyayari with someone who is younger than you, maybe a child. Okay? Merong pag-aayos na mangyayari. Merong realization on your part. May kailangan i-improve. Okay? Sa situation mo. Okay? Mother and child. Bonding. Okay? For some of you. Okay? Spend quality time sa family mo. Okay? Or with this person who is younger than you. Yeah. Be compassionate. Yeah. After some conflict, merong closeness na nangyayari, resolution na nangyayari sa conflict. Yeah. Just take what resonates for you, Virgo. Yeah. Maybe a child is making peace with you or someone younger than you. Okay? Yes. There will be breakthroughs, victory, success in the month of August. Just hang on, sacrifice a little because your sacrifices will be rewarded, Virgo. Okay? You are on the right path. You're on the right path. Yeah, merong clarity also in the situation. Brilliant solution, okay? Some delays, maybe sa career mo to, sa trabaho, or sa mga opportunities, may delays, but it will be over, okay? May delays or challenges, but it will be over soon, okay? So, be excited about the future, Virgo. You care so much about this person, Virgo. You love them. Merong closeness for some of you with that person who is younger than you. Meron kayong feelings for that person. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Huh? merong growth. Okay? Merong expansion sa situation mo. Career man to, trabaho. Okay? Creative projects. Yeah. Things will suddenly move forward para sa inyo. Okay? New beginnings. New exciting things will come for you. Meron kayong pagkakaabalahan, magiging masaya kayo, you will be excited. Okay? Kung meron man kayong bagong tatahakin na path or direction, okay? Kailangan ng plano, okay? Kung may mga challenges along the way, you have to be prepared. Yeah. For some, there will be career advancement. Okay? Kung merong mga delays before, parang hindi gumagana or walang aksyon, hindi gumagalaw ang status nyo sa trabaho or sa career or yung project ninyo. Okay? Now, it will suddenly move. May positive changes na mangyayari. Okay? Merong breakthroughs for you. Okay? Page of Wands. Yeah. There are a lot of things in your mind right now when it comes to your creativity. Okay? Do not be conflicted. Time management is needed. You need to be competitive sa inyong ginagawa. Kung ano man to, Virgo, creative projects, creative work, no? Kailangan mo maging competitive. Proactive. Okay? May pagkakataon para sa'yo for career advancement. Okay? Makikilala ka. Yes. There will be victory. You're on the right path, Virgo. Okay. Yeah. Judgment, new direction, positive direction for you after some realization or after some assessments sa inyong sitwasyon. Okay? There will be a favorable assessment or result na mangyayari. Okay? If you're applying for a job, merong magandang resulta. Okay? You will have a new job, Virgo. Six of Pentacles, yeah. For some of you, you will be receiving or giving money to someone. Not only money, attention, okay? Time. Someone needs your time and attention, Virgo. Yeah. For some of you, you will be receiving enough money, okay? You will be able to makakabayad na kayo ng mga loans nyo. Okay? Yeah. Yeah. Someone is giving you attention. Okay? But you're not interested. Because you want somebody, you want someone, okay, other than this person. Yeah, High Priestess. Listen to your intuition, Virgo. Kung anong sinasabi sa inyo sa mga choices mo, Okay, sa mga desisyon mo na gagawin. Review things carefully. Okay. Consider carefully. Okay, before you act. Okay. Kung meron na mga opportunities or offers na binibigay sa inyo. Okay. Listen to your intuition kung anong sinasabi sa inyo ng puso at isip mo. Okay? Yeah. Okay. So, merong healing for you, victory, and success. Okay? Continue to value yourself. Okay? Nurture or develop yung sarili ninyo. Okay? That makakatulong sa inyo yan in the future. Sa mga susunod ninyong gagawin, sa mga bagong projects, bagong trabaho. Okay? You feel good about someone. You love someone who is younger than you. Okay? Yeah. There is a resolution of a conflict kung meron man. Okay? So, be excited about the future. Okay? Kung may mga challenges, you have to be prepared. Yeah. Yeah, may mga competition. So, nag-iisip ka ng mga ibang paraan. Okay? Para maging maayos, maging successful ang inyong ginagawa, yung craft ninyo, trabaho, okay? Career or yung projects, creative projects, okay? There will be movement, sudden movement in your situation, positive. That is something positive, and yeah, there is success. Career advancement, okay? So, be patient, okay? Your sacrifices will be paid off. You will be rewarded. Virgo, okay? Yeah. Madami kayong ginagawa. You are juggling things. So, for some of you, you need to take a break, okay? Don't be too hard on yourself. Or wag i-push yung mga bagay-bagay na hindi pa napapanahon. So, wait for the right timing. Okay? Be patient. Hang on. Virgo. Okay? Tingnan natin kung ano pa yung mga messages for Virgo, please. For the month of August. Merong pag-aayos, okay, na mangyayari. Someone will be expressing an apology. That is for some of you. So just take what resonates for you, Virgo. Virgo, please. Ear. Good news. Yeah. See? Good news. May paparating na good news sa inyo. A breakthrough. Magkakaroon ng solusyon ang inyong wino-worry, ang inyong pinoproblema. Okay? Huwag magmadali, Virgo. You are on the right time, on the right timing. Grapes, time to go out and have fun. Yes. Huwag magmukmok. Okay, have fun. Meet some friends. Okay. Heart, love, deep affection, and caring. Okay. Or some of you, you have a deep affection to someone. Okay? You have concerns about love and relationship. Okay? You are in love for some of you, Virgo. You cannot let someone go. Okay? Okay. Kung may mga conflicts in the relationship, don't be too hard on yourself. Instead, nurture yourself, develop further yourself. Okay? Magpaganda, huwag magmukmok. Lumabas, enjoy. Okay? Needle and thread, a sincere wish will be granted. Okay? That is good news. Yung wish nyo matutupad. Okay? For some of you, anong wish kaya yan? Pale. Time to get out of a situation. Yeah. It may be in a relationship, okay? A dramatic situation, no? You need to get out from that. Love yourself, Virgo. Rabbit. Too much concern with sexual matters, okay? Yung iba sa inyo, may concern when it comes to that. Okay? About fertility. Okay? Oops. Tingnan natin kung anong message sa inyo from the Spirit Messages Oracle cards for Virgo. Trust yourself more. Know that you are in the right place at the right time. Yes. Opportunities will present themselves to you when they are meant to. All in divine timing. Get excited about the future again instead of fearing it. Okay? So, that is the message for you, Virgo. Maraming salamat sa inyo. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye!